Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I came up with a different scenario. So I'm going to discuss in detail how to do that, how to find a top least product name in each ways we're going to see. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding in DAX. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand the today's video. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'm going to explain each and every step what I have done here. So already I have discussed a similar kind of scenario in last videos. So in that video I have discussed like how to find the topmost product name, so each year wise. But in today's video, so what are the product not performing well, I want to find each year wise. So in today's video we're going to discuss. So before getting into details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported from the Excel. So if you look at here, category, customer, date, geography, internet sales, product, sales territory, subcategory. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel. And also I have created one more table, that is a product ranking. So if we go to go to the column tab. So I have used this product ranking as a slicer. Why I have added another column 1 2 3 4 like that? Because sometimes it's not giving the ordering properly. So by taking the number column helper, so I'm just ordering whether it is descending, ascending, it's up to the requirement. So that is the reason I have created two columns in this table. Okay, now we'll try to understand how I design the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding a relationship is very important. Now we'll go to the model. So click on here, scroll down a little bit. Now you can see that already I have designed the relationship between the dimensions and fact table. So if I place the mouse over here, you can see that based on this territory key, I have established the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. Even you can notice that what kind of direction the filter propagation, it's like a one direction to many direction. It means that from the dimension table to the fact table is a filter direction is going on. So like that I have established the relationship between the dimensions and fact tables. Okay, so we'll discuss in upcoming sessions in very great detail, but for timing we'll try to focus on today's report. Go to the report. So now we can see that this is the just a minute. So this is the table and these two are card visuals, these two are a slicer. So what I'm doing here, so I'll try to explain very short. So I'm taking the snipping tool. So now, yeah. So here in this we have product name. So each product wise we have sales in ascending order. So what are the product having the least sales we are able to see here. Okay, in product 2, this is the sales, this product, this is the sales, this product, this is the sales. So based on the what are the product having the least sales, I'm just giving the rank 1 2 3 4 like that, 1 2 3 4 like that. So but I have two measures, rank underscore 1, rank underscore 2. Why? Because there is a slight difference between these rank underscore 1, rank underscore 2, nothing that both are identical only. So I'm going to explain what kind of difference between these two, and also we can see that these two are card visuals. So what are the product we have selected based on the slicer, I'm just capturing into these card visuals. For example, in 2004 I want to see the top two product name in from the ascending order. So in that case, so what are the product we have, we can display it over there. Okay, so like that I have designed the report. So I'm going to explain what kind of expressions, what kind of logic I have written to get this expected output we are going to see. Okay, so sorry. So here, for example, in 2001 I want to see the top one product. In 2001 I want to see the top one product. So what is the least sales for this product? You can see road 650 block 48. Top 2, this one 62. Top 3, this product. Top 4, this product. In 2002 we'll try to see same. What is the top 4 product? In 2003, see same. Now you can see the difference. So this card visual during some product name, this is some product name. Why it is different? So if you notice clearly here, so these two products having the same sales. I'll try to take the snipping. So basically these two products having the same sales. Okay, so that is the reason we got the same ranking in these two products. So same ranking, but in one of the measure while giving the ranking I made it as a dense, another one is skip. Okay, so that is the reason here the rank getting skipping, but here it's dense. It means that it's not going to skip the ranking, but in this case the rank is skipping. So that is the reason instead of 3 we got 4. But when I click on 4, top 4 product means in one measure it's giving this product name, in another measure it's giving this product name. So like that we can able to see the different product names. And also we'll try to see top 3 means what we'll get. We'll get blank, because in this measure we don't see top 3, because already 2 products having the same sales. That is the reason we got the same ranking, and also third rank got skipped. So that is the reason we got the blank. But in this case we are not skipping any ranking for each product wise. So like that. So already I explained different scenarios around. This is a 13 example in ranking topics. So I have covered almost 13 scenarios. So each and every scenario has a different functionality, different unique business use cases. So try to watch, you'll get more understanding, more clarity in rankings and top. So I'm gonna show so what kind of expression I have written. So in this example I'll try to show. So go to the demo measures. So rank. So I'll try to zoom it so that you can see clearly. Now you can see, so I have declared one variable and taking the rank x, and before generating the rank x for each product wise, I'm just checking what are the products having the sales. Only consider those products. If the product doesn't have any sales, just ignore it. So I'm just doing by using filter function, and also not using blank. So I'm doing ascending order. Here I'm skipping. Okay, and finally checking if the sales are blank, return the blank, otherwise return this. What are the expression we are written, it will execute here. Okay, so I'll write this is the rank underscore 1, but when it comes to rank underscore 2, so both are same except this. Here I am dense, but in that previous measure we are skipping the rank. So that is the only difference. Remaining both all things are identical only. Now I'll go to here. So different measure. Here based on the slicer, so what are the slicer like top 1, top 2, based on the slicer selection, automatically I'm just taking the only the rank product name only. Okay, only the rank product. For example, if I click on top 4 measure, so it will come to here. So it gives the rank. In this measure I want to see the top 4 product name in ascending order, so it gives that product name. So like that I have created these 2 measures. So even already I have discussed in detail, so please try to watch previous videos also. But that video I have discussed how to find the topmost. But in this video, so what are the product not performing well, I mean list sales. So I want to see those product in each year wise, whether you want to top or I mean first product or second product, third product. Based on the selection, we can easily understand which product is doing well, which product is not doing well. So that's all for today's video. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So please subscribe my channel. So stay tuned for other videos. Thank you so much for watching.